Hi everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to block someone on Paxful account. To block someone from your Paxful account, first of all, open your Paxful application and log into your account, or you can also visit paxful.com on your web browser and sign in. Either way, once you end up in the home page or the dashboard of your Paxful account, go ahead and find the user's profile, which you can find from the offer list, trade chats, or past trade in your dashboard. I'm just gonna find a user from the market list. Go ahead and find the user and tap on their username. Once you end up in this buy option page, tap on their username once again. Now once you do that, you will see this kind of an interface. If you want to block someone, tap on the block button. Remember that in order to block someone, you will need to complete your ID verification step. Once you tap on the block option and if your ID verification is completed, you will be able to block the specific someone on Paxful. That is how you will be able to block a person on Paxful. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.